Make the most of your next vacation with a Dometic awning. The Dometic Club drive-away awning includes the following highlights: a campervan-ready connection tunnel, apex ventilation, compact and lightweight design, contemporary soft-touch internal curtains. Begin by opening the carry bag and removing the awning. Insert the K-Dar into the awning rail and pull through. If you're attaching onto a cassette awning, you will need to unwind the awning to expose the rail and bring it down to a workable height. Then once the awning is in place, retract the cassette awning into the closed position. Now close the deflation valves, located at the front and side of the awning. Locate the inflation valve and insert the hand pump. Inflate the awning to between 3 and 4 psi and carefully lift it into shape. Then continue to inflate the awning until you reach 9 psi. Remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation valve. Zip in all side and front panels of the club. This helps the awning stay square when securing with the supplied pegs. Next, secure the two back corners of the awning. Peg the grey webbing straps approximately 5 cm under the vehicle. Pull the awning away from the vehicle, applying tension to the tunnel, and peg the webbing strap down. Repeat on the opposite side. Return to the tunnel and peg down the rear air poles on both sides of the awning, first using the triangular pegging point, then the glow webbing straps. Secure the triangular pegging points located towards the front of the awning on both sides. Then secure the remaining pegging points using the ladder bands included with the awning. We recommend cross-pegging between panels to reduce fabric tension and help the zips run smoothly. Secure the awning further by fixing the quick pitch guy lines. Simply tension the lower strap, peg down and pull tight. Locate the adjustable straps on the left and right hand side of the awning tunnel interior and pull tight to adjust the roof. Finally, clip on the curtains included with the awning. Your club drive-away awning is now fully set up and ready to use. Available separately, the Dometic Mesh Magnetic Panel replaces the awning side panel. The Mesh Magnetic Panel is designed to fit current and previous porch awning models. Simply zip into place and secure with the central pegging point. Use the integrated zip or simply allow the magnetic fasteners to close the panel. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.